For today, we have a new topic, which is the 8 principal syndromes. So what is this all about? Syndrome differentiation in TCM is a method to analyze and recognize the syndrome of a disease. In other words, it is also a process in which the location, nature, occurrence, and development of a disease, as well as the condition of health of Qi and pathogenic factors, are identified according to the clinical data obtained from the 4 diagnostic methods. So from the above, it becomes obvious that syndrome differentiation is the premise and foundation of treatment. So correct differentiation and appropriate treatment are the prerequisite for achieving the hoped for results. So let's move on to what is this 8 principal syndrome. The 8 principal syndrome refers to the yang and yin, exterior and interior, cold and heat, deficiency, and excess. This is the most important syndrome in TCM. Complicated as the clinical manifestations of diseases may be, they are classified under the 8 principles. So the classification of syndromes, first we have to determine whether it is a yang or yin syndrome. Second, we look into the location of the disease, whether it's exterior or interior. Third, the nature of the disease, whether it's cold or heat. And the last, the state of health of Qi and the pathogenic factors, whether it's deficiency or excess. So let's talk about exterior and interior first. These are the 2 principles for differentiating the location and severity of diseases. If it's exterior, the surface of skin and body hair, the muscles, and the channels are affected. And it's already interior, it involves the Zhangfu organs, the blood vessels, and the bone marrow. In exterior syndrome, it indicates the exterior parts of the body is affected by exogenous pathogenic factors, and the diseases is in its primary stage and relatively mild. So in analogy, if the enemy, it's compared to an enemy invading a country. So if the enemy invades our border, our army will go out for fight, and then the border will become the battlefield at this moment. So nasa mga borders, kung sa katawan natin, the exterior parts of the body is affected by exogenous pathogenic factors, and the diseases is in its primary stage and relatively mild. Exogenous pathogenic factors intrude human body through body hair and skin, muscles, and channels, or through the mouth and nose, and characterized by rapid onset and short duration. For the symptoms of exterior pattern or exterior syndrome, we have fever, superficial pulse, a white thin coating on the tongue. This is a fight between the health Qi and the pathogenic factors. We also have an aversion to cold, where the hindrance of the defensive Qi fails to warm the body. Exterior syndromes will also have nasal obstruction, nasal congestion, itching and pain in the throat, and cough, because the lung is impaired by the pathogenic factors. This syndrome will also present with headache as the unsmooth flow of Qi and blood caused by the pathogenic factors. Next is the principle of treatment with exterior syndrome. So we relieve exterior syndrome with drugs pungent in flavor, like ginger.